Ever feel like you've picked up some sticky, icky, negative vibes from somebody you just hung out with? And sometimes you even end up with the whatever mood, dark cloud mood they had hanging over their head. And I hate it when that happens. And a long time ago, I learned a tool. I was spirit taught a tool that can help with this. It's called the portal of compassion. In keeping today with all the different tools I'm sharing this month to help you balance your energy and strengthen your energy and develop that internal strength, this is a great tool that's complementary for that. And I love to teach this tool, especially to people who are doing a lot of public service jobs, dealing with random members of the public. And I don't know, people take out a lot of frustrations on people who work in call centers or work at help desks. Or so I really feel for all of you, and I would love to give this tool to you to help you. So here's how it works. Just like all the other tools I've introduced this month, they ground you to the center of the earth, connecting to the center of the universe. This is another tool that is also divinely intelligent. You don't have to worry about whether you're doing it right or anything like that. It just works. So when you call the portal of compassion, similar to calling upon a guru or Jesus or an angel, it shows up, it hears, it listens, and it arrives. Just like all of those beautiful, beautiful, wonderful light beings and ascended masters arrive, they hear us. And so the way I've always perceived it, just a little bit out in front of my auric field, and it's roundish, like I'm doing this with my hands, and it's got a color in the middle of it that is this bright violet, flamey type of color. And it's that color for a reason. Some people may have heard of the violet flame of transmutation associated with Saint Germain. There are other flames. This is a whole different study separate from today's topic that I encourage you to look into. The important thing to know about the violet flame is that any energy that you put into this portal is automatically transmuted into its higher vibration. So it really serves a beautiful purpose here. Now, other things very important to know about the portal of compassion is that it is directly connected to the center of the universe. And as we spoke before, you can call the center of the universe God or Creator, Mother, Father, God, however you like to conceive of the Most High. And this portal of compassion is directly connected to the heart of the divine. And so when somebody has negative energy, here's how to use the portal of compassion. When somebody with you has some kind of negative energy that they're toting around, they're carrying with them. They could be riding a bummer, they could be really angry, and they're projecting that energy at you. And those of us who are really empathic or sensitive, we're just, oh my God, just feel the intensity of that energy, and it feels like it's getting on you, and you might not even know how to clean it off. So this is the solution to that. Call up the portal of compassion, and then you can put it between you and the other person. You can even wear it in front of you if you like, as a shield. And imagine that it's on a vacuum setting. And when that intense, overwhelming energy seems to be coming your way, quickie poo, call this thing in, and it starts to suck and vacuum away that negative energy. So it protects you, and that energy doesn't get on you. And you can go home with energy at the end of your day, no matter what kind of people you've been around, how difficult their lives are. You can feel safe, and you can go home with energy, and you can go home in a positive mood. I did a job well done today. I did my service, and all of that negative energy goes into the portal. So this is the vacuum setting of the portal. You can also, if you historically remember a time when somebody's energy got on you, or you're concerned about that, you can use the portal to pull that energy out of you now, right in this moment. So even think of somebody that's in your life, or think of some negative energy that you feel like you might be carrying around, some frustration, some anger, you're not even sure if it's yours or not. Send everybody else's energy back to them through the portal of compassion. The portal of compassion can pull that energy out of you right now and lighten you up and lighten your energy up. And I tell you, everybody has experienced feeling better from doing this. So I encourage you to try that and enjoy feeling better and feeling stronger in your life and staying stronger with this simple tool right here available to you. So there is also a blessing setting on the portal of compassion. I'm going to talk about that in my next video. And I really appreciate you spending this time with me. You have a fantastic day. Please have an awesome day.